Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I am going to be showing you two different ways you can make your rosemary for hair growth, and also how you can incorporate this nourishing and healing herb into your hair care routine for a healthy and a faster hair growth. If you're new to this channel, hi, I am Naya. On this channel I make videos trying out beauty as well as hair growth remedies. If that's what you're interested in, then you might as well consider subscribing for more content. So guys, this is the rosemary herb in question, and I'm sure that some of you, or even most of you, have these herbs in your homes. So according to studies, rosemary has been found to increase the growth of new hair. It also helps stimulate the scalp circulation, and it can be used to grow longer hair. It helps prevent baldness. So guys, what I have here is dried rosemary leaves. So these are dried. Have it in mind that it doesn't matter if they are dried or they are freshly plucked, you're also going to get the same result. So this is what the fresh rosemary leaves look like. So if you have this one at home or you have the dried one, you can use any of them. So guys, the first thing I did was I went ahead to measure out 1 cup of this rosemary leaves, and then as you can see that mine is dry. Even though if yours is freshly plucked, you still need to wash it. Okay, so I'm just going to go ahead and wash this under a running water. So guys, I am going to be double boiling this. So first I put some water in the pot. The gas is not on yet, so if you heat oil up too much, they can lose their nutrients. So it's best we do a double boiling method. This is going to help preserve the nutrients. So next, I'm adding 2 tablespoons of castor oil into the bowl. I recommend castor oil because castor oil helps with hair growth and thickness. Next, I'm adding half a cup of sweet almond oil. This oil helps in reducing frizz on the hair. And lastly, I'm adding half cup of coconut oil to this. So now that I have all my ingredients together, the next thing to do now is to put this on the stove. So I placed the bowl into the pot with water inside, obviously. Then I turned on my stove and I placed back the pot on it. So next I just let this boil for a few minutes. I think I let this boil for about 3 minutes. Yes, 3 minutes. And after that, as you can see that the water is already boiling, and I also did stir it around for that rosemary to really infuse well into the oil. So after that, I just put it down and set it aside for it to cool down for a little bit. So next, I'm making use of this filter to extract all that oil from the rosemary. So next, I'll be making use of this bottle, this container, to store the oil. So guys, now that this oil is ready, I am going to be showing you 3 different ways I make use of this for my hair. So the first one I usually do is maybe a pre-poo treatment. As you can see, I already sectioned my hair into 4 equal parts. So now I'm just going to make use of the oil to massage it onto my scalp. I make sure I massage it gently. I work on it section by section until I've covered my whole hair with the oil. And also as I do that, I also make sure that I comb out, I detangle, so I don't have any knots on my hair. After doing that, I go ahead and then just make sure I cover my hair with a shower cap or a plastic bag. I let it sit for about 30 to 45 minutes. Then I wash it out using a shampoo and a conditioner. So guys, the second way I make use of this oil is as an overnight treatment. So I just massage it onto my scalp, and also just make sure I get all the oil on my entire hair. After doing that, I just cover it up and just let it sit overnight and then wash it out the next morning. So guys, the third way I make use of this oil is as a sealant. After I wash my hair, or even after styling my hair, I just make use of this oil to top it off. I make use of it to seal in my moisture. It is the last thing I put on my hair after washing or after styling. So guys, to make this rosemary hair rinse, this is pretty easy to make. So I already washed my rosemary and then transferred that into a pot, and I added about 2 to 4 cups of water roughly, and then I just let that boil on high heat for about a minute or two. Then I turn off the stove and then just let it sit there for about 20 minutes to 30 minutes, and also allowing it to cool down. I just cover that up, and then when I return, this is what it's going to be looking like. By then your rosemary has already infused well into the water, and you want to also stir it up. So the next thing I'm going to be doing, as you can see, I am touching the pot, which means it has really cooled down. So the next thing I'm doing is to sieve out the water, and after that I am going to transfer that into this jar. This is just enough to store this up, and this can be used right away. You can use this right away. All you just need to do is just let it cool down properly, and you can also store this in your fridge for about 2 to 3 days. I recommend 2 to 3 days. So guys, I'll be showing you guys how I make use of my rosemary hair rinse. So the first thing I usually do is to make use of a big bowl like this, pour that into the bowl. So I place this bowl inside a bathtub, as you can see, and I usually make use of a container to scoop the water onto my hair. I like getting this hair rinse all over my hair, and then I also dip my hair into it, as you can see. And as I scoop the water onto my hair, I also massage my hair gently. I just want to make sure that my hair is really soaked in this rosemary rinse, and after that I just take my time to massage it onto my hair gently. And after I massage for about 2 to 3 minutes, I just pour the rest onto my hair. So guys, I just wanted to tell you all that this rosemary does not have an offensive smell, so you can leave it in your hair without worrying about any offensive smell. The smell is subtle, it is not harsh. There's something that you can walk around with all day and it wouldn't even bother you. So guys, this is my hair after using the rosemary rinse, and then I let it dry. This is what my hair is currently looking like. So guys, let me know if you're willing to give this a try, or if you have used rosemary on your hair before. Let me know what you think about this rosemary treatment, and also if you're willing to give this a try as well, let me know on the comment section. So guys, that brings us to the end of this video. If this video was helpful, show me some love by liking this video, leave your comment. If you have any questions at all, just leave them on the comment section below. And guys, some of you are constantly watching but you're not subscribed. Why haven't you subscribed yet? Subscribe by clicking on that subscribe button, and also don't forget to turn on that bell notification so you won't miss out on any of my future videos. If you made it this far, thank you so much for always coming back to watch my videos. I appreciate every single one of you. Thank you so much for all your support, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.